This Mario Antonio pa rin yung conductor of Project Humanist as the most dominant species in the entire universe. YouTube, Project Zero Hunger, Project Zero Disposal, Project Zero Plan, etc. This is a new project called Project Fiction to Reality. Project Fiction to Reality. It's more like movies, cartoons, anime. For me, those are not just movies, cartoons, and anime. For me, those are more like hypotheses, more like analysis or assumptions in the future. A lot of character and anime cartoons and movies within, especially robotics, especially this way. For example, can be made practical. For example, Thunder Sub, submarine that a submarine that floats and go to outer space directly. I mean, that's fiction. It's cartoons from more like 1980s or 1990s. But I think it's possible. We can make it real. Just we have a mass transportation. Another one is Voltron, Lion, and the other team composed of different vehicles. Those different vehicles, Voltron is the second Voltron which is auto, and a lot of different types. They're anime, right? They're cartoons. But if you just observe the cartoons, it is we can make it possible because it will be very useful in finding. I watched that cartoons when I was young. The team, the second Voltron, which is Robo, they are team that wants to find another planet or another place for human to live because we're overpopulated. It's more like Trigun, Rush Country. Again, it is supposed to be a cartoon, but for me, it can be made possible if you know that something in your mind that do all my theories and projects derived from those late cartoons and anime. Yes, more like influence, but it's not pure from them. From those animes, cartoons, and movies, plus my studies in elementary, high school, college, plus the genealogy or the blood from my father and my mom, their race or their blood. It's more like that. Propulsion studies, because of my studies, I did analyze or I did observe that movies, cartoons, and anime were just not just movies, cartoons, and anime or movies. There are more like scientific assumption of the future or different dimensions or parallel universe, parallel planets, etc. etc. Those were For example, back to the said Voltron. The Voltron, the, it's more like we can make it more not far from our solar system to make it safe, or we can make the safe robot far from us. It can depend us on alien attacks. There's a lot of movies now that say they were alien attacks, and even the internet, YouTube shows alien invasion. You can use it as not to set war to them, but for peace, to ally, for good and for them, to ally. Or like Thunderstorm, Voltron, those vehicles of Voltron can hover every the parameters from afar, and we can make Voltron from the minerals, from the metal and hydrogen on the next solar system. There's a lot of planets there that have lot of metals we can make project complete, etc. etc. This is a project fiction to reality. The other example are Iron Man. If you watch Iron Man, it seems it's already been done. His RoboSuit, I think it's top secret, the top secret of America or something. So Sparks. I think it's very obvious, very possible that they will already done it. It's not just movies or visual effects. And you can another one Voltron, yeah, aside from Voltron, those animes that I love. Another example is BTX. You know BTX, the one they call X there, use TP, right? A robo horse, and AI intelligent horse, robo horse that can ride. It can be used as transfer. The optionals, we just propose law. They have to obey the law, or they will be punished in accordance with. In BTX, there's a robo horse, flying horse, robo tortoise, giant one, etc. etc. Another example are AI, artificial intelligence movies. The other one is a movie, iRobot, etc. etc. Only those movies, anime or cartoons that will benefit us humans. Those more like bias to us, that there's no threat of our existence. For example, it's into that can afford to make it possible for they can really destroy our make human extinct and replace us with their own heads, more like evolved form of humans, robo RoboHex sana. Or we can afford to make it possible. Only those movies, anime, cartoons that can be useful and biased to us humans. Useful making a lot of planets that make it easy. Don't be afraid of robots. We can make them only programmable, non-AI. Non-AI. We can make AI, but we there will be consequence of stopping this safety gadgets to stop him. Yes. And those non-AI robots, those are the perfect robots that we should make. We can drive our robo scientists from Japan, America, Europe, Asia, Japan, Korea, and Australia, etc. We can drive those scientists to make robots that only programmable to do a task, especially in outer space. That our next place to live. So, population, no need to fear population explosion or the vast population of humans. We can it will be very easy if we use this project fiction to reality. Again, this is again Marlon Antonio Pareño, a Filipino from General Mariano Alvarez, Cavite, Manila, Philippines. Waray, from mother side of Macalina, Ilonggo, father side of Pareño, Bacolod, Acayte. And I hope you'll support me in all of my projects, especially project Zero Hunger, or more relevant to project Zero Flag, especially by Zero Flag project. Just play the video. There's a lot of instruction on to how to make those flags, so how to make Zero Flag from disadvantage to advantage. Project Zero Hunger, how to make it possible for very much benefits further or zero break flag stuff. Support those projects releases. So also using Friday recycling machine inside the recycling system, and project human as the perspective species in the entire universe. Please support me. Please play the video a lot, and share this video to your friends, cousins, classmates, etc. Colleagues, etc. For us humans to move forward. There's a great big future ahead of us. I love you guys. Thank you guys. This has been my attention.